Yeah, I just made it here to 8th Wonder Brewery. It's right across the street. These are just some cool murals I happened to catch my eye, so I decided to get those on camera. Gonna hang around this area for a bit. Looks like the drizzle's coming down. I don't know if you see it, but yep, good old rainy Houston, Texas. Stadium seating, about to try my flight of beer here at 8th Wonder. Pretty cool. You bring back the paddle and your glasses, you get a free beer. I guess people like to take it. Fine with me. I'll bust it and get a free beer out of it. Not a bad deal. Cloudy IPA. Cheers. Delicious. We also have a goza that's aged in tequila barrels. We have the Irish coffee porter that was aged in Jameson cask. And then their claim to fame, one of their good beers, throwback cream ale, which is nice. So just do that one real quick. Cream ale. Really good, nice and light. Try that sour. Definitely get the hint of agave there from the tequila aging. And last but not least, Irish coffee. Cheers. Ooh, yeah. Definitely tastes whiskey on that bad boy. Got my shirt on. Whiskey warrior, baby. Cheers. Still raining in lovely Houston. And I just looked it up. It's going to be raining all today, all tomorrow. Pretty much all the week there's a tropical storm out in the Gulf. So, fuck me. Gonna be a lot of indoor activities for the rest of today and tomorrow. Not gonna complain. You know, love to eat food, love to drink, so it works out. Always come back here next time. Remember, 28 round trip, I can do it again. second stop on the list, St. Arno's Brewery, the oldest craft brewery here in Houston. I got myself another flight. This is pretty much in the middle of nowhere. It used to be a old rail train yard area, so here we are. Cheers. So here we go, we have some cuy, which is guinea pig, Ecuador, Peru style food.
How is it?
Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, it's like exotic chicken.
So cuy, guinea pig, pretty much tastes like chicken. Then we got here some roasted corn. Corn roll. I think it. In the face. Not gonna lie, a lot of flavor in that eye socket. I know everyone's like, oh my god, so much flavor when you suck out the eye socket of a cuy / guinea pig. Amazing. The skin is crisp, everything is awesome.